My name is Megan and I'm a senior orthopaedic physio at the Cromwell Hospital. We have every physio available here. We have musculoskeletal physio, we have orthopaedic physio, we have rehabilitation, neurology physio, hand therapists. We also have occupational therapists, so they help in so many different ways that you couldn't imagine. And we have speech and language therapists as well. So it's a really big therapy team, which is really nice, yeah. I really love my job. I love getting patients out of bed and showing them there's a light at the end of the tunnel. After they've had surgery, they really think, how on earth are they going to get out of bed? How am I going to get home? Everyone has stairs in London, so they're already panicking about something that doesn't need to be worried about. So I just love showing them that you can get out of bed, how to get out of bed, what's the least painful way to get out of bed, how you can walk and how you can climb the stairs. You don't need to be stuck at the bottom floor. So I just love empowering patients to see the light at the end of the tunnel.